So hello friends, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can install a app called Filmora Go on your PC, and it will work completely fine on your PC till lifetime. So I just show you how you can use that app and crack that for usage of your personal usage. So guys, if you watch lots of video about that Filmora Go, there are lots of people creating videos and they show you how you can crack that. It's very easy to crack and there are lots of keys by the help of that you can crack, but the method which I show you in this video, it will work, but it in the other videos you see they stop working if you connect it with internet. But in this video I show you the method. If you connect it with internet, the app will not crash and it will not show on your screen that it will show that your key has been expired or it has been suspended. In this method your all keys will work and they don't show pop up on your screen that it's expired. So watch it carefully, watch it full video, and it will help you out in installing that app. So thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.